5 car brands with the most reliable engines. 5. Ford. It's become second nature to say the most reliable cars on the market come from Japan and to a lesser extent, South Korea. That might be true, but US brands know how to build advanced, efficient, high-performing engines that last ages. Ford has a long history with engines. In fact, Henry Ford's first invention was the engine, which he eventually used to power his first car. Throughout its history, Ford engines have been synonymous with performance, reliability, and longevity, frequently taking their vehicles past owners' mileage forecasts. Ford's tenacious 5.0 Coyote V8 and 3.5 V6 EcoBoost engines are making way for new engine technology for internal combustion vehicles, hybrids, and electric production. 4. Chevrolet. Owning many distinct car companies over the years, including Buick, Cadillac, and Lotus now, and Oldsmobile, Pontiac, and Saturn in the past, General Motors has built countless engines. However, Chevrolet stands out among GM's subsidiaries for its reliable and powerful engines that hold up even after a few odometer rollovers. While Chevy's diesel motors are tough to beat, its V8 South are iconic. The LS engine has gone through 3 generation changes since 1997 and has proven to be easy to maintain and trouble-free throughout its lifespan. The 5.7-liter LT1 engine powered Corvettes and Camaros with plenty of horsepower during the 1990s, and the new Gen V engines are moving Chevrolet up J.D. Power's dependability rankings yearly. 3. Lexus. According to J.D. Power's 2023 Vehicle Dependability Study, Lexus topped a list of rankings, and the RX model was named the most dependable vehicle on the market, tied with Toyota's CHR. For 2024, the luxury brand led its segment and the overall industry for the second year in a row. Dependability has quickly become Lexus' hallmark, which can't be said about most other luxury brands on the market. According to Repairable, Lexus owners usually spend around $551 per year on maintenance and upkeep. Equipped with engines like the one you are fed to JZ and to GR variants, Lexus and some Toyota models are some of the most reliable cars you can buy. T. Honda. For decades now, Honda has built a reputation for engines that can rack up miles without anything more than regular maintenance and care. Offhand, the typical lifespan of a Honda car is about 200,000 miles. However, many Honda models are known to outlast their owners' wildest expectations. Whether a Honda carries a K-Series engine, Honda Civic Si, Element, CR-V, a J35 Honda Pilot, Acura MDX, Honda Accord, Honda Odyssey, or an H2 a turn-of-the-century Preludes and Accord, Sure sedans and wagons, you're assured of top-of-the-line reliability and endurance. 1. Toyota. You don't become the world's best-selling and most reliable brand without making great engines that perform consistently well. Over the years, Toyota has introduced resilient engines that have regularly given owners hundreds of thousands of miles of driving enjoyment.